Ahoy, Fringeketeers! This Fringe Friday is brought to you by the letter M for magic. It is my pleasure and my privilege to introduce to you one of our performers for the 2017 Shenandoah Fringe Festival, Cody Clark and his show, A Different Way of Thinking. This 60-minute one-man magic show uses the art of magic to examine his life with autism, all the way from birth to his graduation from college. Cody tours this show around to other small-scale fringe festivals, and he says he loves coming to these small towns and meeting the coolest people. I think Stanton is going to fit right into that. Now, if you want to learn more about Cody and his work, you can follow his hashtag #DifferentWay, or you can look for more information on our website. And remember that tickets go on sale March 10th. See you soon, Fringeketeers. #ShenFringe.